It's Monday, the 11th of November 2024, and I'm stood outside Newcastle Crown Court. And today I hope to get inside the courtroom for the pre-trial hearing of the two suspects, the two defendants who have been charged with chopping down the Sycamore gap tree overnight of the 28th of September 2023. The two suspects are Daniel Graham, aged 38, from Millbeck Stables just outside Carlisle, and Adam Carruthers, aged 31, from Church Street in Wigton. It was quite a convoluted and complex investigation by all accounts that led to the eventual arrest and charging of these two suspects. If you want to see more detail of the mechanics of exactly how all this has come about, I'll leave a link to a video I did a few months ago at the end of this video. This case of criminal damage caused shock and widespread outrage, not least because it's on National Trust land and the site itself is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and that's why it caused so much upset. And both men have been charged with criminal damage, one to the tree using a CAVAT system, capital asset value for amenity trees, have put the total value of over £622,000, but also damage to Hadrian's Wall, and the damage estimated to be £1,144. Due to the high profile nature of this case, the two could be facing up to 10 years if found guilty and with significant aggravating factors thrown in. When they were both charged back in May with the criminal damage, the senior prosecutor did say this case is complex and it involves cell site analysis, number plate recognition technology, botany, presumably tree genetics and DNA, the evaluation of the tree, and image enhancement technology. So there's a pre-trial hearing today before their main trial, which is scheduled for the 3rd of December. Because of the complexity and possibly a lengthy trial, it allows the prosecution and the defence to get together to iron out any glitches, to narrow down any hurdles or barriers that they might encounter, because they don't want to get to court on the 3rd of December and have all sorts of issues that they need to iron out first. And that's why they have a pre-trial hearing, to make sure everything's ready and set for the go-ahead for the full trial on the 3rd of December. It also gives the suspects, I believe, an opportunity to change their plea to guilty, because at the moment they've pleaded not guilty to those offences. So I'm going to head inside the Crown Court building, hopefully get inside the Crown Court room where the pre-trial hearing is being held, and let you know a little bit later on exactly how this is all unfolding. That's it, I'm back. This is actually several hours later. The pre-trial hearing wasn't scheduled till 2:15. It's now about 2:45 now, so it's now complete. I did manage to get into court to watch and listen to the proceedings, and in the case of the two suspects, Daniel Graham and Adam Carruthers claimed he was unwell. He actually appeared by video link, but Daniel Graham did actually appear at court today, dressed in a dark suit, a dark waistcoat, white shirt and a light blue tie. As expected, there was quite a bit of legal wrangling going on back and forwards in relation to matters, technical matters that needed to be ironed out, particularly from one of the defence barristers. Those matters related to undisclosed material, to one of the defendants' phone and material that's been held on there, expert witnesses, etc., and various dates were set in the very near future to have responses to those issues that were raised. So the judge seemed content that the trial is going to go ahead on the 3rd of December. He did take the opportunity to warn both defendants about the attendance at court, but also about an early plea direction that could have some bearing on a sentence should they be found guilty. Also as well, I am mindful about how much information I give away in this particular video. I don't want to be accused of contempt of court. Needless to say, fascinating witnessing what went on there. I did find out that the defence have around about 42,000 pages of evidential disclosure. So you can just begin to imagine and appreciate how complex, how big and how lengthy this trial is going to be, with everybody involved, all the expert witnesses involved as well. It's going to be quite a mammoth trial, possibly going up to as much as 2 weeks till we get to the end of it. So I hope to be there from the 3rd of December to find out what's going on. It'll be interesting to see if the lads did it, if they plead guilty early doors or not. But there you go. I hope you found the video interesting and informative. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I'm going to head off now, and I'll catch you next time.